whenever I have a box or a machine, any number that goes into that box is going to be multiplied by 5, and then it's going to come out the other side. So if I put 3 in that box, it's going to be multiplied by 5, so 15 is going to be the output. This time I'm putting in an unknown number. When it goes into that box, it's multiplied by 5, and the number that comes out, the output, is 25. What was the number that went in? The calculation here was n times by 5 equals 25. If we work backwards from the 25 using the inverse calculation, we'll go back to what n was. So 25, we multiplied something by 5 to get 25. So this time we're going to use the inverse calculation and divide by 5. 25 divided by 5 is 5, so n equals 5. This time n goes into the box and the output is 40. What does n equal? Again, we're going to work backwards from the 40 using the inverse calculation. 40, we multiplied something by 5, so we're going to divide 40 by 5 to find out what n was. 40 divided by 5 is n. 40 divided by 5 will give us whatever n was. And 40 divided by 5 is 8. So n equals 8. A little bit more to this one. This time we're going to put in 7, and while it's in the box it'll be multiplied by 10 and then have 20 added to it. So 90 is going to be the output. This time we're putting in an unknown number, n. Goes in the box, it's multiplied by 10 and then has 20 added to it, and the output is 70. What was the number that went into the box? Working backwards from 70, we're going to use the inverse operation to take us back to whatever n was. Starting with 70, we added 20 to something to get 70, so we're going to take that 20 away. 70 take away 20, that gives us 50. We haven't got to the answer yet, so now we're going to look at this back at the calculation and say to get to that 50 we multiplied something by 10, and if we divide 50 by 10 that'll take us back to the n that we had to multiply by 10. So 70 take away 20, then divide that by 10 will give us whatever n was. So 50 divided by 10, that's 5. So n equals 5. 5 was what went into that box. And if you just check that, 5 goes into the box. If you times 5 by 10, that's 50. And if you add 20, that's 70. This time we're putting in an unknown number. We times it by 5 and we add 8. And the output is 53. If you're feeling confident, pause the video, have a go, see if you can work backwards from 53 using that calculation to see if you can work back to what n was, the number you put into the box. Starting with 53, we added 8 to something, so if we take that 8 away from 53, we have 45. Now we need to find how we got to that 45. Well, we multiplied something by 5 to get 45, so working backwards using the inverse calculation, 45 divided by 5. And that's going to give us whatever n was. 45 divided by 5, that's 9. So the number that went into the box was 9. N equals 9.